Why custom Salesforce development is a game changer for your business.
Raise your hand paper if you've ever felt like your Salesforce org isn't doing exactly what you need it to. Too complex.
Hard to navigate, or maybe you're wondering if you're even using it right.
Well, you're not alone.
Salesforce is powerful and flexible, yes, but the real magic happens when you tailor it to your firm. That's where custom Salesforce development comes in.
Let's break it down.
Every business is unique. Your processes, your data, your customers.
So why rely on standard features? Custom development gives you the power to mold Salesforce around your actual needs, not the other way around.
Configuration vs customization.
Let's clear up a common confusion.
Configuration is like rearranging furniture.
Customization is like building a whole new room. Use configuration when you need quick fixes.
Use customization when your business demands something more. Say you're a retail company and need real-time inventory tracking with automated discount rules. Or a financial firm needing custom loan approval workflows. These aren't standard, and they're custom. And that's why businesses are investing in custom Salesforce development more than ever.
Benefits appear one by one.
1. Better automation. 2. Enhanced user experience.
3. Scalable systems. 4. Industry-specific functionality. And 5. Seamless integrations.
These aren't just features, they're growth enablers.
But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Customization comes with challenges, like performance issues, integration hurdles, and the risk of overcomplication.
Drop a comment if you're considering custom development.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CRM insights.